The last position, number 15, is the feet. Hold both feet in a way that's comfortable for you. This position treats the feet, ankles, legs, lower back, and the root chakra. This position also helps to ground the client and to help them be more present, which is helpful at the end of the treatment. To complete the treatment, place your hand lightly over the solar plexus and state to yourself, you are healed, centered, and protected by the power of Reiki. Now I'd like to guide you through a self-treatment using all the hand positions. During this session, I'll be showing each of the hand positions, explaining what each position treats, and including suggestions to increase the effectiveness of your self-treatment. There are a number of different hand position systems for giving Reiki treatments, but most of them are very similar, with only a few positions being different between the various methods. The system I'll be demonstrating is thorough, yet simple and effective. This is a follow-along session you can use to give yourself a complete treatment. You can use this session every day to treat yourself, or you can use it as a way of learning all the hand positions. And you may want to take a longer period of time to treat yourself, depending upon your needs. Position yourself in a way so that you can easily hold each hand position comfortably. To do this, you might find it helpful to relax in a comfortable chair, or to lay on the floor, or on a mat with a pillow. Remember, the important thing when doing Reiki is to be comfortable. Reiki has its own wisdom and knows where to go and what to treat. So while Reiki will be treating the areas where you place your hands, and I'll be indicating specifically what areas are treated with each hand position, Reiki may also choose to flow to other areas of your body or energy field other than where your hands are placed. After you've completed this session, feel free to review any of the hand positions as often as needed until you've learned them all. Let's begin. Begin by taking a moment to prepare yourself. You can say a prayer or an affirmation stating that you're willing to be deeply healed, asking that your Reiki energy be strong and effective, and giving thanks for this moment in time in which you can relax and heal. Remember to keep your fingers together during your treatment to keep the Reiki energy more focused. Starting with position number 1, place your hands over your eyes and face. Reiki is now flowing to your eyes, sinuses, nose, mouth, facial muscles, the frontal lobes of your brain, the third eye, allowing these areas to heal deeply. Just allow your mind to merge with the flow of Reiki now, so that you can actually feel the relaxation and calm it's developing for you now. Just merge with the flow, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation and calm. Now let's go to position number 2, place your hands over your ears. Reiki is now healing your ears, the upper muscles of the neck, the blood flow to the brain, and the upper spinal vertebra. And as you continue to merge with the flow of energy, just allow yourself to continue to relax more deeply. Allow yourself to feel the wonderful, healing energy flowing through you now. Allowing yourself to heal more deeply and completely. Opening to a very deep flow of Reiki now. Now let's go to position number 3. Place your hands over the crown of your head. Reiki is now healing the scalp, cerebral cortex, and the crown chakra. It's strengthening your connection to the source and increasing the strength of your Reiki. Your Reiki energy completely cares for you now, and you're very confident in the ability of Reiki to heal you very deeply. You have the courage to heal deeply. Position number 4. Place your hands on the back of your head. Reiki is now healing the cranial bones, the cerebral spinal fluid, the base of the brain, and the upper cervical vertebra. You allow the wisdom of Reiki to heal you deeply now. Your Reiki energy is getting stronger and stronger. You're directly connected to the source of Reiki now, and allow it to heal you deeply. Position number 5. Place your hands over your shoulders. Reiki is now healing the lower neck, the shoulders, and the mid-cervical vertebra. Reiki assists you in easily accomplishing whatever is healthy for you to do. Your Reiki energy flows continuously for you now in ways that are healthy for you and for those around you. The love of Reiki flows through you now, healing you deeply and guiding everything you do. Position number 6. Place your hands over your throat. Reiki is healing the throat chakra, the lower jaw and mouth. You're very confident in your ability to use Reiki to heal yourself and others. You allow the loving wisdom of Reiki to guide everything you do. Position number 7. Place one hand over the throat and one hand on your heart chakra at the center of the chest. Reiki is now healing the thymus, thyroid, parathyroid, heart, lungs, upper thoracic vertebra, esophagus, and the heart chakra. Reiki completely cares for you now. The love of Reiki flows through every part of your being and deeply heals you. You are the power of Reiki. Position number 8. Place your hands on the upper abdomen area along the lowest rib. Reiki is now healing your stomach, liver, gallbladder, spleen, adrenals, mid-thoracic vertebra, and solar plexus chakra. You trust in the power of Reiki to heal you. You let go now and allow yourself to learn the lessons your life experiences have to teach you. Position number 9. Now move your hands a little further down over the middle abdomen area. Reiki is now treating the transverse colon, the small intestines, pancreas, kidneys, and the second chakra. Your Reiki energy is getting stronger and stronger and stronger. You allow the loving wisdom of Reiki to guide every aspect of your life now. You allow yourself to heal very deeply. Position number 10. Next, move a little lower near the top of the pubic bone. Reiki is now treating the ascending and descending colon, the small intestines, the hips, and lumbar vertebra. Your energy field is now developing to channel new, more beneficial frequencies of Reiki energy. Higher and more beneficial frequencies of Reiki energy are flowing through you now, deeply healing you in new and more powerful ways. You heal deeply. Position number 11. Place your hands on the middle back. Reiki is now flowing to the upper lumbar vertebra, kidneys, pancreas, liver, and the second chakra. Your energy field continues to develop, allowing new, more beneficial frequencies of Reiki to flow through you. Your Reiki energy is very powerful, and you allow it to heal you deeply now. Position number 12. Place your hands on the lower back over the sacrum. Reiki is now flowing to the lower lumbar vertebra, the sacrum, the reproductive organs, and the root chakra. You allow the loving wisdom of Reiki to guide your life and heal you completely now. The love of Reiki flows through you now, healing you deeply and guiding everything you do. Position number 13. Place your hands on your thighs. Reiki is now treating your legs, the hips, the lower spine, and the root chakra. You easily accomplish whatever is healthy for you to do. You allow every aspect of your life to heal completely now. Position number 14. Place your hands on your knees.